What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the crypto space with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today we are going to be looking at Decentraland, XinFin, and also Enjin. If you guys are invested, this is the channel to be at. If you are new to this channel and you like what you see and hear and feel compelled to sub, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. And let's make that crypto money, baby. Let's go. That being said, before we get started in anything, I have to acknowledge my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ before I get into any technical analysis. The Lord is definitely, if you don't know the Lord and you just don't know where to look out of anything in your life right now, and you are in despair, or if you're heartbroken, or if you are discouraged about anything in your life, I just want to encourage you today to seek the Lord for yourself and to acknowledge him in all your ways and everything that you do, and he will direct your paths. All right. That being said, let's get started with this technical analysis first, starting with mana, and then we'll move on from there. Looking at mana, we have hit a ceiling right now at $1.14. And the highest point was $1.26. And so far, we have not been able to break that high. So what I see now for this market, the market is clearly ranging between $1.26 and 76 cents. So if you want to tell the market's ranging, you could see here, we have fractals that are showing that the market's in a range here. So until we break either to the high or to the low, market's not going to do anything. But what do I think the market's going to do for this meantime? The key June's flat, secret span B is flat, secret span A is flat as well, saying that we're in a flat market, ranging market. So take off Ichimoku for now. And this is the trading range that we got coming down to the 4-hour time frame. You see that price is in this range. Looking here, this is where I want to see if price could hold, and it looks like it is holding so far. Right now, if price could hold above this zone here, this fractal level zone, I believe price could push back up into the $1.14 level. So far, it seems to show signs of rejection at this level. So I do anticipate the market pushing up higher. Maybe we might drop to the bottom of this box and then push higher. But right now, I'm pushing higher at least to this level. Maybe a pullback and then come back into this level here. So maybe something like this may be what we may get if we at least hold this level. That's what I see here. If not, this is the total move that I see. But it's going to depend what's going to happen here, because we could go either direction for this type of market. But either way, it doesn't matter because we're still in this gigantic range anyway. So until we break outside this range, this market doesn't truly mean much. So here's the true range of this market right there. All right. So right now it's a 50-50 market. And even if I do give you guys analysis, we're not going to break this high anytime soon. This market's in a strong range. Even on the weekly time frames, in a pretty strong range. So right now for the current market, we're either going to come down here back to the 6 to 80 cent level, or we're going to break up higher and go back to the $1.14 level to $1.26. If we look at the momentum, we don't have momentum. Momentum's dying. So if that's the case, I'm betting this market goes to the downside, probably a little bit to the downside over here. But that's fine. Overall, it's still long-term bullish. I think we could get back up to here. As long as we don't break below this, we're good. And looking at Ichimoku, yeah, it seems like we are looking to go to the downside. We got a death cross here, and Chiku Span's about to break underneath price. So we're going to push lower to the downside, and I'm looking for prices to come down to this level and maybe even here as well. So that's what I see for mana, Decentraland. If you guys are invested, take a look at that. Moving on to the next one, XinFin. XinFin's going high. I'm bullish on XinFin. We had Hinka B right here. That's the day of change. Price is moving higher. This is the time theory. Two things that I like, actually a few things that I like. We have a bullish cloud with secret span A pointing up. B is starting to angle up, but it's still flat. We have price action here. We just broke the high of yesterday's candle. Chiku span is above price, and we had a golden cross right here. So I'm very bullish on XinFin. It's actually time. You should actually buy XinFin right now if you are looking to buy. These are my targets for XinFin. Next target, looks like we're about to hit it at 4 cents and 7, and up here at 5 cents, and up here at 5 cents and 7. So these are my targets for XinFin. I have XinFin going up higher. Span A and B are looking good. The Tinkerson and the Kijisen are both angled up. And lastly, the Chiku span is angling up and it's free from price. So this is a bullish market. If you don't have any XinFin or you are thinking about buying XinFin, this is probably the time to do so now. Finishing off with Enjin. All right, this is a gaming coin. A lot of people are talking about this coin. Right now, the market is seeming to be at a halt, but I think it's going to continue its bull run to the upside. We do have divergence here, and I see prices already making its bounce to the upside. So entry, if you are going to buy in on XinFin, this is the high point that you should be looking at to buy at, which will be at $1.68. Once it breaks that high, I will look to buy here. And we have a golden cross down here. We have Chiku span free. Span A is moving a little high, slightly higher, and span B is flats. But overall, this is where I would look to start buying once price gets over that $2.68 level. It's looking pretty good for Enjin coin. I hear a lot of people talking about it. We just are ranging right there, but overall, it's looking pretty bullish. Let's see, and then the only thing that I don't like here, if we're going to do this, I don't like how Chiku span stuck in here, so we'll range for a little bit longer, start moving this way, and then eventually break to the upside. All right, so that's what I have for this market. If you guys are interested in learning and want to learn how to trade, definitely reach out to me on Twitter at Cash Flow Nexus and ask me to become a student. I'll teach you the Japanese style of day trading, and we could make this money and learn how to trade together. All right. That being said, God bless everyone that has watched this video. Stay tuned for the next, and I will see you guys next time. God bless and peace.